Yeah, so why I decided to work with Skin Moderne? The main reason is that Mr. Purvis is very innovative and he has a lot of knowledge about ingredients, and he tried to create really clean but still effective products. And so he also liked my idea to create not that what you can find everywhere, something special. And so we started to focus together on the field. We call it in Germany medical beauty. That means something between things doctors do and estheticians. And so we created more powerful products we can combine pretty easy with modern medical techniques like ultrasound, microneedling, radio frequency, things like that.
Yes, Dr. Roesken and I, when we met, we immediately kind of connected in our ideas. He had great ideas of utilizing some of the serums we were producing with some of his equipment, things like he's just mentioned, electroporation, galvanic therapy, radio frequency. In fact, when I had met Dr. Roesken, he'd already conducted trials with some of our serums, and he found that he got better results using the serums with those machines than just on their own. So that was kind of what created the synergies between us and our partnership and going forward.